morning, sir. I'm Vijay. I'm a painting contractor for internal and external walls. I have seen certain issues in some of my clients' homes and I need your guidance on how to resolve these issues.
Okay, Vijay, why don't you start by explaining to me exactly what these issues are and give me a little brief about them.
So these days some of my clients are facing issues on having dampness on internal wall. This problem is leading to peeling of paint from the wall and issue of efflorescence. I use best quality of paint, crack filling product, putty, but then too within 6 months to 1 year, these problems reoccur. Can you explain me why do these problems occur and how can this be resolved?
Let me explain to you the reason why these problems occur. Later on, I will show you the solution for all these problems. Problem on dampness, paint peel off and efflorescence would generally appear on the walls which are close to or adjacent to wet areas like kitchen sink, bathroom. Dampness would also occur if there are cracks on external walls, chhajjas, cracks near window frames, cracks on parapet wall, leakage through pipes, AC installed units. Water generally seeps in through tile joints of bathroom or kitchen sink. Chhajjas, external wall cracks through construction joints leading to dampness and paint peel off. I must tell you, this not only leads to structural damage but also affects the health of the family members due to efflorescence.
Sir, I thought using good quality of putty and paint would help me to repair these dampness issues and would sustain against any water seepage.
Vijay, not just good quality products. You need Dr. Fixit range of products to help prevent dampness and ensure that the problems don't reoccur.
Sir, can you please explain me the problems that occur and solutions for same?
Vijay, I am now going to take you through every problem that you have mentioned and I will show you the solution for each of the problems. In case walls have mild dampness problems, following repair process has to be followed. Remove existing paint and wall putty so that plastered wall is visible. Clean the surface using wire brush. Open up visible hairline cracks using a scraper. Fill it with super latex and white cement. In mixing ratio of 1 kilo super latex and 10 kilo white cement. Let the crack filling dry for 2 hours. Apply first coat of super latex with cement in the mixing ratio of 1 kilo super latex and 1.5 kilo cement. After a gap of 4 to 6 hours, apply the second coat, which is 90 degrees to the first coat. Sprinkle sand when the coat is sticky. In case of severe dampness on walls, following procedure is to be followed to rectify it. Remove existing wall putty and plaster. Remove paint with a wire brush and go up to brick level. Clean the surface. Apply bond coat on the brick surface. Mixing ratio 1 part of super latex mixed with 1 kilo cement. Fill brick gaps, Ciporex block gaps with super latex polymer modified mortar. Mixing ratio 1:3:10:30. Level this PMM. Apply first coat of super latex. Let the first coat dry for 4 to 6 hours. Then apply second coat, which should be 90 degrees to the first coat. Let these two coats dry for 48 hours. Sprinkle sand when the coat is sticky. Apply plaster mixed with LW Plus in the ratio of 200 ml per bag of 50 kg cement. Apply putty on the surface. Apply single coat of sealer primer of Dr. Fixit Super Latex on the whole surface in a mixing ratio of 1 kg Super Latex and 2 liters of water. After the sealer coat is applied, apply paint as per standard procedure. Benefit of applying sealer coat is it will ensure smooth surface on putty and will have excellent bonding to paint. It will also increase paint coverage by 30%. For the leakage and water seepage from cracks on external wall, following repair procedure has to be followed. Clean the surface using wire brush. If there are small hairline cracks up to 5 mm observed on external wall plaster surface, open up the cracks with a scraper, clean the cracks and fill it with Dr. Fixit Crack X paste. After crack filling is done, let it dry for 2 to 3 hours and then follow the standard painting process. If cracks in external wall plaster are bigger than 5 mm, following repair process needs to be executed. Open the cracks in V groove. Clean the crack. Apply bond coat of Dr. Fixit Super Latex, mixing ratio of 1 kg Super Latex, 1 kg cement. After applying bond coat, fill the groove with polymer modified repair mortar. Let it dry for 6 to 8 hours. If plaster has hollow surface sound, follow below repair application procedure. With the hammer, check the hollow sound surface. Go up to brick level. Clean the surface. Apply bond coat on the brick surface. Mixing ratio 1 part of Super Latex mixed with 1 kg cement. Fill construction joint gaps, brick gaps, Ciporex block gaps with Super Latex polymer modified mortar. Mixing ratio 1:3:10:30. Level this PMM. Apply first coat of Super Latex with cement in the mixing ratio of 1 kg Super Latex and 1.5 kg cement. Let the first coat dry for 4 to 6 hours. Then again apply second coat, which should be 90 degrees to the first coat. Let these two coats dry for 48 hours. Apply primer and paint as per standard painting procedure.
Sir, thank you for explaining me the process of how to repair the problem of dampness and efflorescence in internal and external wall surface. Sir, can we use the same process for newly constructed homes so that my clients do not face this problem of dampness or efflorescence?
For any newly constructed home, it is always advisable to have preventive waterproofing. For waterproofing of newly constructed bathroom and kitchen sink area, it is necessary for you to use Dr. Fixit Super Latex waterproofing coat before tiling brickbat cover. This can be done by your mason or waterproofing contractor. For waterproofing of wall adjacent to bathroom kitchen sink, internal wall adjacent to window frame, interior wall adjacent to external rain/wall, interior wall where the AC units are going to be installed on external walls, following process needs to be followed. Step 1. Clean the plaster surface of interior wall. Identify hairline cracks less than 5 mm. Open these hairline cracks using a scraper. fill it with super latex and white cement. In mixing ratio of 1 kilo super latex and 10 kilo white cement. Let the crack filling dry for 2 hours. Apply putty on the surface. Apply single coat of sealer primer of Dr. Fixit super latex on the whole surface in mixing ratio of 1 kilo super latex and 2 liters of water. After the sealer coat is applied, apply paint as per standard procedure. Preventive waterproofing for external wall. Key areas where you need to have preventive waterproofing are building parapet walls, external wall piping duct, air-conditioned install units, chhajjas, and walls adjacent to window frame. Step 1. Clean the plaster surface on external wall. Identify hairline cracks less than 5 mm. Clean the cracks and fill it up with Dr. Fixit Crack X paste. Let it dry for 2 to 3 hours. Apply first coat of super latex with cement in the ratio of 1 kilo super latex and 1.5 kilo cement. Apply first coat of super latex. After a gap of 4 to 6 hours, apply the second coat, which is 90 degrees to the first coat. Post curing of 24 hours, follow up with standard painting procedure of primer and paint. Benefits of using Dr. Fixit Super Latex as preventive waterproofing solution. 1. Economical damp proofing solution. 2. Improves water resistance and penetration. 3. Sealer coat improves paint coverage by 30%. And 4. Excellent for repair mortar.
Thank you, Dr. Fixit, for sharing details of waterproofing solutions on how to keep a home damp-free and efflorescence-free. This will help me to have many more happy customers.
Dr. Fixit Super Latex waterproofing solutions for your home.